I got from AUSOM this electric scooter. It's the model L1 with ABE certification for road use in Germany. It has off-road abilities, so let's check it out. Bum 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 bum, no problem. Wow. Climbing some steep roads without any problems. Brake! Woo! Little stoppy. And now some wheelies. Woo! And through the grass. And thanks to the off-road tires, a lot of grip. Gravel roads are the perfect terrain with all the bumps and holes. And jumping in a bike dirt park. Woohoo! Yeah, it works. A little bit shaking. Yes. Woohoo! Woohoo!